What was one of the first cars to define status in pop culture? If you know your tail fins, you guessed it, the 55 Cadillac. Today, in the Model Car Vault, we're exploring how this Caddy became a symbol of the American dream. From mobsters to rockstars, how these two iconic cars are more similar than you'd think, and uncovering the surprising truth about diecast car makers. From the Godfather to Elvis Presley, the 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 60 Special wasn't just a luxury car, it was the luxury car. If you were driving one of these, you had money, power, and influence. At 18 feet long, this beast was a rolling statement. It had a 5.4-liter V8 engine pushing 250 horsepower, huge for its time, paired with a hydromatic automatic transmission. And inside, pure comfort. We're talking plush leather, power windows, heating, and air conditioning, all in 1955. But luxury didn't come cheap. Its base price was $4,000, which today is the equivalent of $50,000. That might seem affordable for a Cadillac now, but back then, it was one of the most expensive American-made cars. But for those who wanted to make an impression, especially in the world of the mafia, that hefty price tag was just the cost of doing business. In The Godfather, Peter Clemenza, a captain in the Corleone crime family, is seen with his 55 Cadillac Fleetwood, carrying out orders from Don Vito. Cadillac was a go-to car for mobsters because it had speed, durability, and space for, well, let's just say, extra cargo in the trunk. And this right here is Greenlight's official Godfather diecast, in 1/18 scale. Check out the packaging. The famous image of Vito Corleone holding his cat. A powerful symbol of the character's calm, yet commanding presence. It's a perfect tribute to the iconic role he played, and a reminder of how deeply this car has embedded itself in pop culture and mafia history. Now, on the other side of the pop culture spectrum, a young man from Memphis was redefining music and style, and his car, a custom pink 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood, probably the most famous celebrity car of all time. Now this is a Cadillac with a whole different attitude. While mobsters wanted theirs blacked out and intimidating, Elvis made his stand out with custom pink paint and a white roof. Elvis loved this car so much he gifted it to his mother, even though she didn't drive. It was a symbol of his success, his style, and his connection to family. This one right here is from MRC, a less common brand that I've had in my collection for over 25 years now, as you can probably tell from the condition of the box. But even though these cars come from two different worlds, pop culture and diecast makers, when you put these two Cadillacs side by side, you'll notice something surprising. Apart from the color and branding, these cars seem almost identical. 25 years apart, yet the same body proportions, same trim details, same stance, same everything. That's because they're most likely made from the exact same casting. You see, a lot of diecast manufacturers reuse molds under different licenses. Greenlight labels theirs under The Godfather, with Vito Corleone's image on the box. Meanwhile, MRC brands theirs as an Elvis collectible, with a picture of the car in front of Graceland. Brands often do this to cut production costs and maximize profits. Shocking, right? Instead of creating entirely new tooling, they acquire or license existing molds. So if you're a diecast collector, it's worth knowing that sometimes you're buying the same model under a different brand, just with different paint, packaging, and probably a different price tag. It's a good idea to always check the casting details, compare features, and research before buying to make sure you're getting the best value for your collection. But if you're a diecast sucker like me, well, I just had to have both. Same car, I know, but still so different. Drop a comment if you've seen different brands using the same mold, or name a model that you've spotted with this kind of crossover. And if you're still here, check out some more model car reviews in the Model Car Vault. Thanks for watching.